Hey car enthusiasts, imagine a classic reborn with a modern twist. Today we're unveiling the 2025 Honda N360, a legendary model that's been reimagined for the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The Honda N360 first made its mark back in 1967, winning over fans with its compact size and efficient performance. As one of Honda's first K cars, it became a beloved icon in Japan. Fast forward to 2025, and Honda has brought this classic back to life, merging its retro charm with cutting-edge design and technology. Let's start with the front view. The 2025 Honda N360 sports round LED headlights that are a nod to the original model. The sleek, closed grille suggests it might be powered by an electric or hybrid engine, with the iconic Honda badge prominently displayed. Below the headlights, you'll notice smaller circular elements, possibly fog lights or additional air intakes, that add a modern flair. The short sloping hood gives the car a sporty, dynamic look. Now, onto the rear. The 2025 N360 continues to impress with its signature round taillights, complete with integrated circular brake and reverse lights. The Honda logo takes center stage on the trunk, with the model name N360 just beneath it. A sporty rear spoiler and diffuser highlight the car's aerodynamic design, while the glossy white body color contrasts sharply with black trim, making it a real head-turner. So, when can you get your hands on it? The 2025 Honda N360 is expected to launch in late 2024. While the full specs are still under wraps, we're expecting a blend of retro styling with modern tech, potentially featuring an electric or hybrid powertrain. Keep an eye out for more details as we get closer to the release. With its nostalgic design combined with futuristic elements, the 2025 Honda N360 is set to create a buzz in the automotive world. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or new to the N360, this model is all about delivering a driving experience that pays homage to its roots while looking forward to the future. Thanks for tuning in and taking this trip through time with us from the past to the future of the Honda N360. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next one.